The Place Image tool in Figma is more than just a way to insert pictures. It seamlessly integrates images into your designs, whether they're vector or raster. Let's dive in. Placing vector images like SVGs creates a new frame with fully editable vector shapes. Raster images like PNGs, JPEGs, or GIFs are treated as a shapes fill. When you place a raster image, Figma creates a rectangle matching the image's size and applies it as an image fill. Want to get creative? Drag a raster image onto any shapes fill section to create custom shaped illustrations effortlessly. By default, raster images are placed at their non-retina size. No problem. Figma's smart input fields make adjustments easy. Use the width or height field as a calculator. For example, type 252, press return, enter, and Figma will adjust automatically. Alternatively, you can enter percentages like 50% for quick scaling. Figma even supports other math operations, so don't hesitate to experiment. For less precision, try scrubbing numeric fields. Hover over a field label until your cursor changes to an arrow, then drag to adjust the value dynamically. It's a fast and intuitive way to make changes. With the Place Image tool, Figma lets you work seamlessly with both vector and raster images, giving you flexibility and creative freedom. Whether it's icons, textures, or photos, the possibilities are endless.